So traders, on today's video, as you have already saw the thumbnail and the topic, what I'm just gonna do on this video is to share to you guys and break down what Q4 might look forward into on gold. But before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and so far, most importantly, click that link on my description to find out about the broker that I trade with and how I recommend. But without further ado, let me break down to you guys how Q4 might look, to keep it alive, how Q4 might be looking like and how Q3 played out. And as you guys have already saw the previous video, you can go check it out if you haven't checked it out, that price had a push and then price started holding a range, and we had an anticipation that with a range, price has highs and prices lows, and there's only two takes that we're going to be focusing on: a break above, which is most probably to happen to continue bullish, or a break below to look for those reversals to the upside, to the downside. So you can clearly see that price at highs, price at lows, and from the most part of it, price gave us a breakout to continue moving to the upside. So as you can clearly see that gold had a push to the upside on Q3, which led up us to Q4. So on Q4, as you can clearly see, that from a push that we had, price might look to give us a pullback or an exhaustion phase. So what we're gonna now be focusing on gold for Q4 will be very simple. Knowing and understanding that from every push phase to the upside, price needs to give you a pullback, an exhaustion phase, or a range before we can look forward those continuations to the upside. And as you can clearly look at gold, price had a push and a range and gave us a breakup after the range. Now we're going to be looking for a pullback or an exhaustion phase so we can look for continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a move to the downside, then I guess we're going to wait and see what this price might, unless we're going to wait and see how much momentum might price be gathered for those big moves to the downside, so we can look for those reversals. But for the most part of it, price is bullish, and for every push phase, we need an exhaustion phase or a pullback so we can look for those moves to the upside. And that's what we're going to be focusing on gold for Q4. So enough has been said, enough has been shared. What we're going to now be focusing on is to see what is gold going to do. Are we going to get what we anticipate, or is price going to do the opposite of what we anticipate? And that's what we're going to be focusing on. But without further ado, this is your boy Hello, QCOT, and I'll catch you guys in the next educational video. Bye for now.